This tutorial shows you how to clean up the pinned folders shown in File Explorer's sidebar. First, open File Explorer on your computer. After that, click on Quick Access in the left sidebar to see all your pinned folders. From there, right-click on the folder you want to remove. At this point, select Unpin from Quick Access. In the next step, that folder will disappear from the Quick Access list immediately. Following this, repeat these steps for any other folders you want to remove. Once done, if you'd like to clear all recent files and folders at once, click on the three dots at the top and select Options. From here, in the window that opens, click Clear under Clear File Explorer History. Keep in mind, this clears your recent activity but won't remove folders you've manually pinned. Those still need to be unpinned individually. Finally, click OK to close the Options window and confirm your changes. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove folders from Quick Access in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.